Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these blonde chocolate blondies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a heat-proof bowl, and into that bowl place in your butter, followed by your blonde chocolate, and then just place this in the microwave and melt it in 30-second increments until the mixture is melted enough for you to be able to stir it, and it should become fully combined like this. Then you can go ahead and add in your golden caster sugar. I'm adding golden caster sugar this time just for flavour, and whisk that in until it's fully incorporated. It will become much more granular. Then go ahead and add in all of your eggs, followed by the vanilla extract, and whisk those in until everything is combined. This will make the consistency much looser, much like what you'd be expecting it to look like. Then go ahead and add in your flour, followed by your blonde chocolate chips, and just fold those in by hand using a spatula until everything is combined and you can't see a trace of a single ingredient. Go ahead and grab your 9-inch square cake tin, which has been lined with some parchment paper, and pour all of the blondie batter into it, then spread and level it out just to achieve the most consistent bake when it's baking in the oven. But before you do that, place dollops of blonde chocolate spread on top. Go with as many or as few as you'd really like. I went with quite a lot as I wanted it to be so rich and decadent, but you can go with little if that's what suits you best. Place your dollops on, then just take a butter knife and swirl it all around until you're happy and you've got an equal spread all over. Again, this is completely up to you however much or little you spread it, but I like it to look pretty, and you know, I've added a lot of spread, so it's pretty easy to do. So straight from the oven, you'll want to finish them off by just placing on some of these blonde chocolate chips, the same ones that we used on the inside, but just scatter them on top. This is optional, but I feel like the more blonde chocolate the better, because why not? You know, it's nice. Why didn't you want more, you know? So once you're ready, you can go ahead and slice your blondies up. Mine was still a little bit warm, but I needed to get them cut up as there was going to be no time, you know, later on or the following day. So I just cut mine into 9 portions, but feel free to cut them into as many or as few pieces as you would like. These are very generous portions, so you could probably go with more if you're not an overly sweet person and you prefer just a small amount of sweet treat. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.